Hi students, we hope that you're keeping well with your family and your closed ones. It has been 9 weeks of enrichment classes on Edmodo. We hope the courses on it helped you and gave you a chance to learn something and enjoy. This week we are not posting any courses, but we are posting a very important thing. This is called Edmodo Enrichment Class Survey. This survey will help us to understand your experiences and what you are liking and how we can improve the Edmodo enrichment class for your benefit. I will show you the demo of this form so that it becomes helpful for you when you fill it. So the first thing is, if you can see, please write your full name and grade. So I will write here my full name and my grade. I will write, suppose I am in 6th grade, so I will write 6 and I am in section 6A. So this is how I will fill this. Now moving on, I will read the next one. Do you regularly see the activities in the enrichment class? The options are yes or no. I see them only sometimes as per time left from other subjects assignment or other reason. This means you have to respond whether you are able to see the activities every week. If you are regularly able to see the courses every week, you can tick yes. If you are not able to do it, pick no. Let me tell you, this data in this survey is completely for our information and it will be very confidential. So you can be very honest in your reviews and your thoughts. Next question. Which are the activities you like among the following? The activities which we posted last week were broadly kind of visual arts like painting, shading, etc., performing arts, dance, singing, etc., or fitness around yoga or well being, meditation, and exercises. You can pick multiple activities or you can pick only one activity. Moving ahead, name your favorite activities that you participated in the Edmodo class. This tells us that what has been the most favorite among students and which you liked out of all the Edmodo class. Again, you can, since it is multiple activities, you can write many activities or one activity with the use of comma. Okay. Now moving ahead. Next question is, what are some of the difficulties you face in Edmodo enrichment class participation? So if you feel there is anything you which is making it difficult for you to attend the Edmodo enrichment class courses, you can write them here. If you're not comfortable with language or presentation or easiness of doing the courses on your own or any reason, please write it here. It will help us to understand to design the future activities for you. Last question is, which activities would you like to learn in the Edmodo enrichment classes? Write your suggestions below. So suppose you have some suggestions for us which you would like us to include in the enrichment classes, please write it here and we will try to include it. Suppose you like something in performing arts or you like something which is out of these categories, performing arts, visual arts, please give us suggestions. Please also give us fitness suggestions. You now have a full time, every week you get a fitness class and that's a mandatory class. So you can also give us suggestions of what kind of fitness activities you would like to do with us. After you are done filling this, please press submit. All the responses are mandatory and required responses. You cannot miss any response before submitting. Thank you.